Corona. Corona. Stoner. Smoking all marijuana. So welcome back, guys, to a new vlog here at Tibor's vlog. Today I woke up with the news that the studio we are using has closed officially the doors because of the coronavirus, and that is pretty ironic when we are making a song that's called Fuck the Coronavirus, and that we are going hard with no matter what. But that means that we had to figure out what to do. So today's tip and theme about the vlog is going to be when you meet problems and obstacles that you didn't expect is going to come, or you're even expecting it, but it comes and you're not prepared, you're fucked basically. But right now, you have to be in these situations. You have to be innovative and find solutions to problems straight away, because we have no time to act. The Corona banger, as you just heard, is coming out as fast as possible with the music video and a done mixtape. So the quality of the sounds are perfect, so you guys can enjoy the song while being in quarantine at home. We're going to make a song that's going to blow up in the whole world, and we have no time to waste. So today was a stressful message to wake up to. I've been working through all the night and woke up a little bit late today, so the chat we have with all the CEOs in P.Daddy was just blowing up, and when I walked in and saw it, I was just thinking, fuck, man. Now we have a problem on our hands, and not a small problem either. We don't have a studio, and a studio is like everything, man. But again, then we thought, shit, we called the person that is renting out the studios and just told him the plan and what we're doing. And the CEO in P.Daddy, YoungChaz, took the responsibility and fixed the problem straight away. Took the bus down there alone and took all this equipment in the studio that we needed. We got allowed to pick with us the microphone, the mixer, everything we need to keep on recording at home. So then the sales manager in P.Daddy, Most Vlogs, that just signed yesterday, we're going to use his old house that is completely empty because they have moved to a new condo and another place. So this is a 3-story house that we're going to set up the studio in and make the coronavirus music video today. So today I'm going to show you behind the scenes and how we are blowing up and how hard we are working just to put out one work. We are like 6-7 on this team just to make these 3 artists blow as fast as possible. And we're really putting everything on the line and doing everything we can to make this song blow. So when it drops, please show us some love. I'm so fucking pumped that you guys tuned in today also. We have a small group here on YouTube, so please share the message, share my channel, show it to your mom, show it to your little brother, show it to your friends, show it to whatever. And just spread the positive message I have of how you can build a life for yourself and actually do what you are entitled to, what you deserve, and what you are capable of doing. So please consider giving me a subscribe, give me a sub and a like on this video. I would mean the world to me. So please do it, and stay tuned for some behind the scenes clips of the music video in production. So that's the thing, guys. It's a beautiful day though in Norway today. Today I'm really smiling because it's a blue sky and it's actually some heat in the sun when it's not windy. So if you stand where I'm staying right now, you don't get the wind, so that's much better. Today, as I said, the tip is to never give up and only see opportunities. The opportunity right now, we saw that the studio is closing. We just had to keep on moving, pushing forward, and the CEO took a good decision and picked up all the gear at the studio. And now we're going to the set where we was going to film the video anyways. And he's going to is at the Most Vlogs house. So we are on our way there and going to set up the studio there. So I'm going to take you guys and show you guys how we do that. But now we can be much more efficient because we have the movie set where we're going to film the music video in the studio. So now we can do everything at the same place. So in some way this is a good thing, maybe it's the best thing. And we are so pumped to have actually the studio now for 24/7. stay tuned for a sick music video and updates on when you can hear the new future Billboard banger, Corona. So thank you guys for tuning in today also. A beautiful day. See you guys later. Behind the scenes, P.Daddy Promotions, video making of Corona.
Please don't turn around and give me Corona. She gon' make it drop like it's yoga. She looking good, fashion over.
What are you doing, man?
Huh? Yo, I'm vlogging now.
I'm vlogging too, man. Corona, come on!
Corona, Corona, mask on my face, Corona, Corona. P.Daddy Promotion the owner. Corona, 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 Corona. Mask on my face, Corona, Corona.
The crew.
P.Daddy Promotion the owner.
Corona, Corona.
Please don't turn around and give me Corona. I told my bitch gotta go, cause she got Corona. Corona, Corona. Mask on my face, Corona, Corona. P.Daddy Promotion the owner. Fuck Corona, Corona. Corona, Corona. Mask on my face, Corona, Corona. P.Daddy Promotion the owner. Fuck Corona, Corona. Off, drop like it's yoga. She looking good, fashion over. Smoking on marijuana. We cannot talk anymore, cause I get to sit with the floor. I told my bitch gotta go, cause she got Corona. Corona, Corona. Mask on my face, Corona, Corona.
Hey!
P.Daddy Promotion the owner.
Corona, Corona. Hey! Yeah! Corona, love me.
Smoking on marijuana. We cannot talk anymore, cause I get to sit with the floor.
Rappa, jag ska höra allting här.
Gotta go, cause she got Corona.
Woo!
Corona, Corona. Mask on my face, Corona, Corona. P.Daddy Promotion the owner.
YoungChaz behind the scenes, doing his part on Corona.
Yes, sir! Be ready, man.
Cooking it up, man!
Let's go.
Pepper!
I told my bitch gotta go, cause she got Corona. Corona, Corona. Mask on my face, Corona, Corona. P.Daddy Promotion the owner.
So, guys, that was for today. Now the time is 11 p.m. Just got back and sitting here editing the video for today, and just thought that I would do an outro here right now for you guys. It's been an exhausting day. It's my first time filming a music video, so we have filmed straight for 6 hours today, and now we are sitting and just editing this video to get that out for you guys, and then we're going to start work out throughout the night with the music video itself and the website for P.Daddy Promotions to sell merch, so you guys can copy some sick merch with the P.Daddy Promotion collab with Champion. So that was for today. It's very much clips in this video, just behind the scenes. Tomorrow we're going to film another type of set where they're going to wear all drip, and they're going to suit up and look very classy as fuck. Today the theme was to have like shitty clothes on and masks and everything because of the coronavirus. So, you know, guys, today has been a very productive day. This is just some few clips of what happened today. I actually didn't get the time to put up this phone also. We got like 3 or 4 cameras going all the time, so it was hard to always remember to put up this camera also and capture something for you guys to look at behind the scenes. But I think I managed to get a lot of things so you can get hyped and teased enough to look forward to hear the whole song and look at the music videos, because you have seen the behind the scenes. So guys, the tip for today is always to stay consistent, and whatever problem they present you, just keep pushing forward and find a new solution to the problem, and make enough bad days go good, and then you're going to have a very good life. As you see, today was a tough start to get to know. The studio was closed and then going from there to actually pick up all the gear and getting a new studio set up in a new house and actually filming like 70% of the music video done in one day to be able to push it out in like 60 hours. So guys, thank you guys for staying tuned. For all of you that have stayed tuned all the way to the end, I really appreciate it. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and stay tuned to see more entrepreneurship and knowledge strategies to make more money in life and to get behind the scenes on the business I am running. My name is Patrik Tibor Fredriksen. This is Tibor Vlog if you are here for the first time. And as always, remember, do your hustle, make your money, and do whatever the fuck you want to do in life. Peace, man. See you guys tomorrow.